More and more small healthcare clinics are becoming cash-based businesses. That's because, frankly, dealing with insurance can oftentimes be very annoying. However, direct billing is a service that I offer at my clinic because it, respectfully, saves the patient the headache. You've got enough stuff on your plate, whether that's kids, mortgage payments, commitments, whatever it might be. Seeing a clinic that's willing to deal with insurance on your behalf is a pretty good indicator that they're willing to take the extra steps to make sure that you can take some mental burden off. Alongside physical burden, obviously. That's why you be here, I assume. We're nearing the end of the year, so if you still have benefits remaining, please, I urge you to go see a healthcare provider. And if you're in the GTA, I'd be happy to meet you myself. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more health tips.